Stop saying cleaning the house all the time. Learn how to describe every chore like a native speaker. Today, I'm going to teach you 21 verbs to help you talk about chores naturally. Hello, welcome back to English Focus Daily. I'm Roxy, and on this YouTube channel, I speak slowly and clearly. Today, we're going to practice talking about household chores with shadowing. First, we will do a listen and repeat, and then I will help you create your own sentences in English during the pauses. Let's start. Number 1, wash dishes. Wash dishes means to clean plates, glasses, and knives and forks after a meal. I usually wash the dishes by hand right after dinner. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. I usually wash the dishes. Very good. She needs to wash the dishes before the guests arrive. Repeat. Complete the sentence. She needs to wash. Great. Number 2, load-unload the dishwasher. Load-unload the dishwasher means putting dirty dishes in or taking clean dishes out of the machine. Can you help me unload the dishwasher? All the plates are dry now. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. Can you help me? All the plates are dry now. That's great. It is your turn to load the dishwasher tonight. Repeat. Complete the sentence. It is your turn to. Good job. Number 3, wipe down the stovetop. Wipe down the stovetop means to clean the surface of the cooker with a cloth. After cooking pasta, I always wipe down the stovetop to remove the dirt. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. After cooking pasta, I always wipe down. Great job. The stovetop is dirty. Please wipe it down. Repeat. Complete the sentence. The stovetop is dirty. Please. Well done. Number 4, scrub the sink. Scrub the sink means to clean the sink by rubbing it hard with a brush or sponge. The kitchen looks much better when you scrub the sink with a bit of soap. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. The kitchen looks much better when. Good work. I have to scrub the sink every morning. Repeat. Complete the sentence. I have to scrub the sink. Amazing. Number 5, clean the inside of the fridge. Clean the inside of the microwave. Clean the inside of the fridge means removing old food and cleaning the inside of the refrigerator. We should clean the inside of the fridge before we go grocery shopping. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. We should clean the inside. Fantastic. It is important to clean the inside of the microwave every month. Repeat. Complete the sentence. It is important to clean. Very good. Number 6, sweep the floor. Sweep the floor means to clean the floor using a broom. I need to sweep the floor in the kitchen because there are crumbs everywhere. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. I need to sweep the floor. Great. Please sweep the floor before you leave. Repeat. Complete the sentence. Please sweep the floor. That's great. Number 7, mop the floor. Mop the floor means to wash the floor using a mop and water. After sweeping, I use a bucket of water and a mop to mop the floor. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. After sweeping, I use a bucket of water and, good job, he is going to mop the floor in the living room. Repeat. Complete the sentence. He is going to mop. Great job. Number 8, dust surfaces. Dust surfaces means to remove dust from tables, shelves, and other furniture. Please dust the surfaces before the guests arrive. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. Please dust the surfaces. Well done. I dust the surfaces in my bedroom every Friday. Repeat. Complete the sentence. I dust the surfaces. Good work. Number 9. Vacuum all carpets and rugs. Vacuum all carpets and rugs means to clean carpets using a vacuum cleaner. The dog hair is everywhere. I need to vacuum the carpets and rugs. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. The dog hair is everywhere. I need to vacuum. Amazing. You should vacuum all carpets and rugs twice a week. Repeat. Complete the sentence. You should vacuum. Fantastic. Number 10. Scrub the toilet. Scrub the toilet means to clean the toilet bowl thoroughly. It's your turn to clean the bathroom and scrub the toilet today. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. It's your turn to clean. Very good. I need a strong cleaner to scrub the toilet. Repeat. Complete the sentence. I need a strong cleaner to. Great. Number 11. Clean the mirrors. Clean the mirrors means to remove marks and dirt from the glass of a mirror. I use a special spray to clean the mirrors in the bathroom so they are shiny. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. I use a special spray to clean. That's great. Can you clean the mirrors in the bedroom? Repeat. Complete the sentence. Can you clean? Good job. Number 12. Tidy up your closet. Tidy up your closet means to organize the clothes and items inside a wardrobe or closet. My clothes are a mess. I need to tidy up my closet this weekend. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. My clothes are a mess. I need to. Great job. She likes to tidy up her closet once a month. Repeat. Complete the sentence. She likes to tidy up. Well done. Number 13. Change the towels. Change the towels means to replace used towels with clean ones. We change the towels in the guest room every 3 days. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. We change the towels. Good work. Don't forget to change the towels in the bathroom. Repeat. Complete the sentence. Don't forget to change. Amazing. Number 14. Make the bed. Make the bed means to arrange the sheets and blankets neatly after sleeping. My mother taught me to make the bed as soon as I wake up. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. My mother taught me to make the bed. Fantastic. I feel better when I make the bed in the morning. Repeat. Complete the sentence. I feel better when very good. Number 15, fold blankets. Fold blankets means to double or fold blankets into a neat shape. In the morning, I neatly fold the blankets and put them on the sofa. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. In the morning, I neatly fold the blankets. Great. Can you help me fold these heavy blankets? Repeat. Complete the sentence. Can you help me these heavy blankets? That's great. Number 16. Empty the trash. Empty the trash means to take the trash out of the waste container. The trash is full. Could you please empty the trash and take it out? It's full. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. The trash is full. Could you please? Good job. I have to empty the trash every night. Repeat. Complete the sentence. I have to empty. Great job. Number 17. Wash all sheets and pillowcases. Wash all sheets and pillowcases means to launder the bedding. I love the smell of fresh laundry when I wash all the sheets and pillowcases. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. I love the smell of fresh laundry when well done. Every Sunday I wash all the sheets and pillowcases. Repeat. Complete the sentence. Every Sunday I wash. Good work. Number 18. Dry clothes. Dry clothes means to remove the water from clothes after washing. It is a sunny day, so we can dry the clothes outside in the garden. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. It is a sunny day, so we can dry. Amazing. I use a machine to dry the clothes in winter. Repeat. Complete the sentence. I use a machine to dry. Fantastic. Number 19. Iron clothes. Iron clothes means to make clothes smooth using a heated iron. I hate to iron clothes, especially cotton shirts, because it takes a long time. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. I hate to iron clothes. Very good. She needs to iron her clothes for the interview. Repeat. Complete the sentence. She needs to iron. Great. Number 20. Dry clean curtains. Dry clean curtains means to clean curtains using chemicals instead of water, usually at a professional shop. These silk curtains are expensive, so I have to dry clean them. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. These silk curtains are expensive, so I have to. Great job. Don't wash that curtain, you must dry clean it. Repeat. Complete the sentence. Don't wash that curtain, you must. Well done. Number 21. Deep clean carpets, rugs. Deep clean carpets, rugs means to clean carpets very thoroughly, often using special machines. Once a year, we hire a machine to deep clean the carpets and remove all the stains. Pause and repeat. Now complete the sentence. Once a year, we hire a machine to deep clean. Good work. The house is very clean after we deep cleaned the carpets. Repeat. Complete the sentence. The house is very clean after. Amazing. Thanks for joining me at English Focus Daily. In every episode, I'm here to help you get one step closer to fluency. Join us on this journey and grow together by subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. I'm Roxy, and if you want to learn more, please click on the video on the screen right now. Something new and exciting is waiting for you there. See you in the next one.